Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how
Yeah,
have you been?
yeah, I'm also been good. Yeah, great here today. And how's your morning today? How is your day
Yeah,
today?
yes, my day was very well. Yeah, today I will go to the night duty. That's why in the daytime I'm free. Yeah, I am using the gym. I am improving my English skill.
Mhm. Very good.
So tell me,
So we are meeting first time on this application. So let's little bit introduce ourselves so that our viewers and your viewers can understand about us.
yes, yes. First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by
Great,
profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk
great.
about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. And right now, my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. This is my goal. That's why
Oh,
I am using this platform. Apart from that,
absolutely.
apart from that, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction. And sir, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. It's a lovely introduction, sir. Now I quickly introduce myself so that you can know about me as well. So as you know, my name is Harun Rashid. I'm from Gujarat. I'm connecting with you from Vadodara. By profession, I'm in a sales and business development last more than 11 years in this organization, but I'm holding more than 20-year experience in this industry. I have been working as a senior sale in this organization, and I'm taking care of entire western region, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Goa. Yeah, that's pretty much about from my end. Thank you.
Okay, you are from Gujarat, and right now also you are a businessman. Maybe you have visited so many states in our country.
Yeah, not so many. Yeah, last 5 years I'm working here in Vadodara, because I'm doing job here. But
Okay,
I'm originally from Maharashtra, nearby Pune. So earlier I was working in Pune almost more than 13 years, and after I got a promotion, I shifted to Vadodara, and now I'm taking care of entire western region, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and some part of Goa, but there are less potential of customers, so that's why not much focus on Goa. But yes, this Maharashtra and Gujarat is my first priority.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
And sir, you are from Gujarat. You have your own native language. Right now also you are learning this language. I am
Uh,
from West Bengal. I have another native language. Bengali is my mother tongue. You don't know my native language properly, and I
yeah.
don't know your native language properly. But after learning English, we are talking each other. We are connecting each other. And
Mm,
you have visited so many places in our country. And
correct.
did you face any problem to connect with another person who belong to another state?
Yeah, I don't face any challenges because whenever even I visited Chennai South part as well. I think last 10 years ago. That time I don't find challenges while we are connecting and visiting those area, southern part of region, because those people are not much good in Hindi. So that's why I try to speak in
Yeah.
English, and I can communicate each other. So whatever I have required anything, so I can ask in English. They also give a very good answer because the South people are very good in English. But in metropolitan cities, if you are going to rural area, they also struggle to speak in English. But in Chennai and Coimbatore and other tier one city, we can say the people are good in English. Yeah, they are communicated with you in English, so we don't find any challenges while connecting, like asking any detail, and we were always thinking optimistic to visit those areas where we can speak in English. Either you can visit Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, but most of the people are those who are from Kerala and Tamil Nadu. They are not much good in Hindi, so that's why we have to be. We can choose this language and we can communicate each other. But coming to Karnataka and Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra, people are understand Hindi and they can reply on Hindi as well. So I don't feel any discrepancies between two languages. So all our languages are very good, and their own culture, their own language, and very beautiful languages in all over the India. So people can learn new languages that would be beneficial for our future growth as well. We can connect heart to heart connect with through these languages. Yes, English is our global language. We can learn this language as well whenever we can get a chance to visit abroad. That time we can confidently speak in foreign people. But coming to our India, mostly people, I think 60% more than 60% people are speaking Hindi. So
Yes.
I'm happy to connect with you, all the those who are good in Hindi. And even southern part of the southern part of people are also very good in English, so we can connect through this language. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I totally agree with you. I realize that and maybe in our country there are 29 states in our country, and every state has their own native language. And
Correct.
yeah, most of the people they can speak Hindi language as well as they can understand. But mostly this southern part of our country, mainly Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Karnataka. I observe that most of the people who belong to southern part of our country, they always speak their native language, otherwise English. They don't want to speak a Hindi language. Yeah, that's why when we go to the southern part of our country, at that time, yeah, without learning English, without speaking English, you have to maybe you will have to face a lot of problem. That's why also I am asking this type of question to you.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. This we can facing language barrier to visit it southern part of India, but me, if we are very good, we can get command on this language, English language. So we don't have face any challenges wherever we go in India, and even we
Yeah.
can get a chance to go abroad. That time you can confidently speak in front of any people, foreign people.
Yes, yes. And sir, I'd like to ask one question to you. Right now, you are doing a good job, and you have been working over there more than 20 years. You have a lot of experience. But in which purpose are you learning this language? What is the reason
Yeah,
behind
obviously,
it?
because nowadays this language is mandatory for all the corporate sector, not only for one specific one specific areas. We can connect all the corporate sectors where we can discuss on English, and even in future we get a chance to go abroad. That time we can confidently speak. And recently, I think last year I got a promotion, so I have to discuss in all the seminars in English. And not learning, we can say practice on this language. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes. And sir, how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language more than 10, 12 years, but
Okay.
those period of time, I'm not reading, I'm not speaking practice. I'm reading and listening only, and
Okay.
watching some new channel and it. But if according to my perception, if you want to become a fluent speaker, so you need to be have a good command. If you have to need practice on speaking skill, so that is more
Okay.
important. Speaking practice is really every single day we need to be practice with your co-partner, peer partner, right? So that is
Yes.
more important. So one example I can give you for speaking this language. If we want to learn swimming, so we need to be jump in the pool. So we cannot
Yes. Yes.
theoretically we cannot learn swimming. So it's the same case with the English as well, right? We have to be indulged with the conversation with our practice partner. Then only we can
Yes.
improve the communication skill. The same apply in this language as well. That's it.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're right. Yeah, yeah. For learning this language, always you have to speak regular basis, and
Mm.
always you will have to open your mouth. Yeah, speaking is the most important part. Listening and speaking both are very important. And sir, I
Right.
would like to ask another question to you. And after speaking English, after learning this language, what kind of benefit did you get from our society?
Absolutely, we can get a lot of respect in our Indian culture. in Indian culture, those who are good in English, they can people can think he is well educated and he has a good knowledge. And this mentalities came from our Britisher. So Britisher came in India, they ruled almost more than 150 years. So people always in mind, yeah, though in English is the status symbol of in India. So we can get
Yes,
a lot of benefit if we are talking English. So we can get even I'm going to visit the my children's schools. So I meet to teachers. So teacher can also good interaction with them, and they are also taking seriously whatever the point raised in the meetings. So teachers also can understand. Yes, the parents can be speak in English, and we can also reply in English only, and they can take a serious on this. Whatever we raise the
okay.
question and points that really help us to for our children and our conversation also.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah, I talk with so many people. Yeah, in this way also every single day. They are also learner. I observe that after learning this language, they got so many things. One of the learner who maybe she belongs to another state, UP, and after learning this language, she got one job in a English medium school. And one of the person right now he is doing a job in Dubai, and he told me, bro, I came here only for cooking, yeah, in this company. But after learning this language, right now I got a promotion. Right now I am doing a job as a cashier. Yeah, there are so many, there are so many examples. Yeah, I observed that. And sir, right now, how you have few minutes ago you have told me you have a children, but how many children do you have?
I have two kids, sir. Both are son.
And
Both are
both are son
studying English
and
medium
English,
school.
okay,
Yeah.
English medium school, and do you
Yeah.
speak with them in English at your house?
Yeah, sometimes I try to speak, but they are hesitant to talk with me in English because in childhood we are talking in Hindi and suddenly we can start English. So they are sometimes feel not comfortable. But yes, I try to maintain. I told them you can communicate in English so that your confidence will be boost in future. If you are talking with your teacher, so can they also think about you positive response toward whatever you are giving the detail to your teachers, so that will be help
Okay.
you to get a more confidence. So we can also indulge with this conversation with our children. We can try to speak with them if it is regular not possible, but at least we can have add some English words so that they will feel confident in future.
Yes, yes, you are right. Yeah, and in which class? In which class they are studying?
My elder son is younger one is studying in 8th standard, and
Eighth standard.
elder one is 12th standard. Yeah, both are
Okay.
in medium schools, and my elder one is he is speak very well because he knows a little bit because he is get admission in 12th standard English
Yes, yes.
that
Yeah, for
that
yeah
he
for,
can help. Yeah.
yeah, for your children, always you have to speak with them in English at your house because environment is very important. If you speak with them in English every single day, yeah, maybe there will be a good English environment. Environment is very important. If there is a good English environment, and from there they can learn this language very easily. And if there is a no good English environment, and from there, always you will have to face a lot of problems, and it will always take time.
Yeah, it's a take a time because it's a long process to learn this language. We cannot learn overnight. It's a long
Yes, yes,
process. We need to be understand because I'm also learning long time. But that
yes, yes.
I never do speaking practice, and because of my
Oh,
speaking practice, I'm not lack of speaking practice. So I'm not improve my communication skill. But
okay.
now I last 1 year I'm consistently doing my efforts, so that's why a little bit improve here. But yes, again I need to be more practice and more get in more enhance my communication in coming of years.
Yes, sir.
And
And sir,
that's
I
why.
would like to ask another. I would like to
Hmm.
ask another question to you. Mm,
Yeah.
Whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English. And
Yeah.
while watching YouTube video, I got a few thumbnails. Hey, how will you learn this language just 15 days? How will you learn this language just 30 days? I said, what do you think? Is it possible just 15
No.
days and just 30 days you can learn this language very easily? Is there any shortcut process?
No, no, sir. To be honest, we cannot learn in 15 days, 1 year, 2 months, 3 months. It's a long process that we need to be understand first. It's a long process because in English there are a lot of things we need to be cover in speaking.
Yeah.
Only speaking English is good. We can communicate each other, but if you have a good, we can speak in accuracy and proficiency. Then you have to be work upon your communication skill, and it's a long process that you have to every single day need to be practice with your practice partner. That's it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, and I know very well it will always take time. Just 15 days and just 30 days, you cannot learn this language. But after
Correct.
watching those kind of thumbnail,
Mhm.
when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I thought maybe there's a secret in this video. Yeah, after watching those kind of video, I will learn the tips, and I will learn this language very easily. But after
No.
watching those kind of video, I observed that there is no any shortcut. Yeah, practice is the most important key, and always you have to practice regular basis, and always you have to open your mouth in English. This is the key in
Yes.
my point of view.
Absolutely, I do agree with you because without practice we cannot learn this language. And this is not our first language, our regional language. From childhood we are speaking in regional language, and after that, after complete of our study, we start learning this language. So it will be take a time to
Yes,
understand the whole process of this language. With that there are a lot of things we need to be cover in our day-to-day practice, and if we are doing the same in every single day, so we think we should learn every day 1% at least, and if we are doing long
yes,
time, so I'm sure it's a, the percentage of learning always in next level.
yes, yes. You're right.
Yeah.
And sir, you have been learning this language for a long time. And before speaking English, when you started your English speaking journey, at that time, did you join any coaching center? Did you go anywhere for learning this language?
No, no, I never join or never enroll myself in any institute, private institute. Whatever I learn, whatever I speak in my own efforts, my own hard works. I joined I join up one application where I'm do my practice every single day, and still today I'm doing the same habits in my day-to-day activities, and that really makes me confident to speak in this language. And even I started, as I mentioned earlier, I start a small YouTube channel where I'm uploading conversational video just like you, so that really helped me a lot, that make me confidence, more confident to create this environment for myself. And I think everybody can do this kind of activities and efforts, so this language can be achievable. We can speak in this language confidently in future, in coming of year and months as well.
Yes, yes, you are right. Yeah, my English speaking journey as a like you, I didn't go anywhere. Yeah, always staying at my home and using my smartphone. I am learning this language. Yeah, nowadays social media is available. Yeah, and everyone is using their smartphone. And if you have a smartphone, no need to go anywhere. Always staying at your home, and yeah, using your smartphone, you can learn this language. But I
Correct.
observed that I realized that in my locality there are so many students. They are good at English grammar. They can read properly. They can write properly. And
Hmm.
after that, they go to the coaching center and they
Hmm.
provide the high money, 20,000, 30,000. And after that also, after completing the 3 months or 6 month course, they cannot speak English. But what is the reason? Because they do not practice. They do not practice. In the coaching center, they provide always the skill structure, yeah, or grammatical rules. But most of the important part is speaking. Always you have to speak regular basis. In my point of view.